Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help, and giving you this edition of Underrated Artist number 2. And let's start with Steve Vai. I think he's an underappreciated talent that, just because of the market being so big as it is, I don't feel that he's getting enough attention. Just listen to this song here. Listen to Candle Power and listen to Bad Horsey. I mean, he clearly has a lot of talent, and I'm surprised that his channel doesn't have like 10 million subscribers. Really good, talented guy. He also made some New York songs, live songs from 2016, Tender Surrender, and stuff like that. Check that out. That stuff is awesome, awesome. I can't show you guys these videos because of the YouTube copyright system, but I just wanted to make sure that people don't miss out on really good music, so they keep on listening to the usual mainstream stuff. I feel that these guys really deserve a lot of attention. So let's get on to the other guy. Well, of course, I mean, Gary Moore. I also feel that he's in a way underrated. I think he died around 2011, 12, 13, something like that. Also really talented guy. This isn't his official channel. I couldn't find his official channel, so I'm a bit surprised that he didn't really have an official channel. Maybe it got shut down. I don't know, but also check this guy out. I think personally that if you would rate the top 10 electric guitarist throughout the time, I think you would, without a doubt, have to put Gary Moore in that category. He's just so damn good. But in that category, I remember to take Persian Walkway, and this guy has just made a ridiculous amount of good electric guitar music. This guy is just incredibly talented, and I don't really think that anybody can play in the style that he did. It just requires so much raw talent. Now, guys, there's another guy I want to show to you, and it's this guy here, Joe Bonamassa. I think that this guy is probably the hardest worker and least appreciated guy in rock slash blues. I think he does rock blues, mostly blues. This guy is like ridiculously good. Check this guy out, and I would actually suggest maybe buying a couple of his records. He has some really good records, CDs out there. I mean, this guy just produces insane amounts of music. And check this one out, especially the Royal Albert Hall one. That was just ridiculously good. One of his best albums ever. Different Shades of Blue, also pretty okay, pretty okay. And I just think this one, I had this album too, Blues Desperation, really good. Can't remember, but he's, I don't know how many albums he's made, like 20 or 30 or something like that. But this guy has a huge talent, huge talent. So many good videos on YouTube. Check that guy out. He's disturbingly good. And as a surprise for you guys, I found this guy here. Yeah, he actually sings. Eddie Murphy sings, and he's actually quite good. Check this one out. This is a really good song. Also, this one, Oh Yeah Yeah, and Red Lights. Those are the ones that I've heard. And Eddie Murphy is just ridiculously talented. I don't get it how he can be such a good actor, comedian, and a singer at the same time. And he's like 60 years old now, and he's got like, I don't know, 10 children or something like that. Crazy. I think that he will also be making a comeback into the whole comedian world there. So let's hope he gets back into the business again, and I'm looking forward to his Coming to America number 2 that was supposed to be, I think, released this year if it wasn't for this whole COVID-19 thing. And if you guys ever want to see a really good comedy, look at Coming to America. I think it's from around 1988. Fantastic film, one of my favorite films. Check that stuff out. That's also like really good, high quality comedy. And that's all I have to share with you guys in this edition. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye.